Them love when me wine on my back it up. Real yard girl funny something when it tab it up. Face pretty ever clean when me mack it up. Side girl for turn up in the back in my.
Guys, so this is the Pre-Plucked 360 Brazilian body wave lace wig that I showed you guys the other day when I first tried it on. It's been like 2 weeks now and I've been wearing it on and off. It's so nice and soft and I absolutely love the waves. But as you can see from the title today, I wanted to like do the trending ponytail, like all up in one. It's been the trend for a while now. It's not just since recently, it's been the trend for a while, but I wanted to do it with this wig. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing today. This is how it looks. This is the construction of it. It has the new and improved lace, so it looks way more like skin or scalp rather, and I really love that. I'm going to actually put it in the ponytail on the mannequin's head just to save on time, and I felt like it would be way easier doing it this way. I want to bring this to the top as a high ponytail, so I'm just gonna kind of section it off as if I was doing a half up, half down. So I'm gonna take some of this mousse hair to actually gather the hair, like to lay it flatter at the front, and then I'm going to take my hot comb to also kind of, you know, so that it can be flatter and lay in one direction. And I'm pretty sure you guys see how realistic the scalp looks, and I absolutely love that. Okay, so I want a bit more hold, so I'm actually going to take my Got To Be freezing spray. I'm gonna take my hot comb and comb right through the hair. So after I've gathered the first half of hair, I'm just going to put it in one. Now it's time for me to put the back up. It's way easier to just do it in sections. So I'm using a scrunchie because I eventually took off the front scrunchie because I just wanted to bring up everything easy. I couldn't do it all in one. So this is how it is. So basically it's not like super like tight looking. That's not the look I was going for with it, you know. So the front looks really realistic, and as I said before, it's a high ponytail. So what I want to do is just take some of the hair and conceal the scrunchie. So you could always do like a bun with it or whatever, but I'm gonna give these waves, I'm gonna make the waves a little bit more defined. So I'm gonna go in section by section and use my wand to just curl them. But I'm gonna start putting it on section by section. So I'm just gonna pull this back for a bit. So today I'm actually going to secure the center first with my Got2b spray. So I'm all done with putting this hair up, this wig up in a trendy ponytail. Ponytails are so trending right now, whether it's high or low, it's a win, all right? So like, I really love the way this came out. Like initially, as you guys saw, I just went with it. I just went with how it came in the box and wore it in a center part. But listen, it's versatile, okay? If you're wondering, it's versatile. It's a 360 as I mentioned before. I really love how natural it came out. Very, very natural. If you guys need to see how to secure the back of your 360 lace wig, I do have a detailed tutorial on that. A lot of people always run away from doing tutorials on showing the back of the wigs, but I challenge myself because I know that it's more challenging, to be honest, than securing the front, but it just takes a little bit more time. I don't know if you guys missed that tutorial. If you did, I'll link it down below in my description box, so check it out. By the way, all the specifications on this wig will be in my description box. It is 20 inches long. I don't remember if I mentioned that, and the direct link is also there, so you can go ahead and shop directly from my customized page on rpghere.com. Yes, so you can shop this or any other wig I've ever worn from RPG Hair. Yes, I have discount codes SUE15 and PETITE-10. All right, so make use of that. Your girl has your back. All right. Also, I must tell you guys a big thanks again for helping me to hit 400k, surpass 400k. It's a blessing. I've been coming a long time. We're on the road to 1 million subscribers. And just if you're wondering about a giveaway, hey, I'm gonna be on a radio show this Sunday. It's here in Jamaica, of course, nationwide. So the name of the show is The Creatives, and it airs 10 a.m. So you can go ahead and check out that little interview with the girl. And I'm doing a little giveaway over there, so if you guys are interested in knowing what that is, yes, as usual, you know, I do at least 3 uploads over here on my main channel each and every week, and I've been uploading very frequently on my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV, so check that out. And yeah, I'm not gonna keep you guys any longer for today. That's it, and I'll see you guys in my next uploads. Until then,